BMW Group completes $1.7 billion US investment and premieres new BMW X5 at Home of X event in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Spartanburg, South Carolina. The BMW Group announced today the completion of a $1.7 billion investment in its South Carolina operations. The company celebrated the milestone at the Home of X event at BMW Group Plants Spartanburg, reaffirming its long-standing commitment in the United States through continued investment and innovation leadership. With this milestone, BMW Group has completed the expansion of Plants Spartanburg and the construction of Plant Woodruff, establishing the foundation for the assembly of fully electric BMW vehicles in South Carolina. The United States remains one of BMW Group's most important markets and business ecosystems worldwide. The event also marked the world premiere of the new, fifth-generation BMW X5. BMW confirmed that the BMW 9/5 will be the first fully electric BMW assembled in the United States, starting in late 2026. When we announced our investment plans for South Carolina in 2022, we made a clear commitment to the future of the BMW Group in the United States, said Milan Nedeljkovic, chairman of the Board of Management, BMW AG. Today, we are delivering on that commitment. The completion of our investments in Plant Spartanburg and Plant Woodruff demonstrates our confidence in the United States and reinforces South Carolina's role at the center of BMW Group's global operations. Together, Plant Spartanburg and Plant Woodruff form a highly integrated network supporting the future of BMW X model assembly and electrification in the United States. Digitalization and AI in production. Key principles of BMW iFACTORY are implemented in Plants Spartanburg and Woodruff. The BMW iFACTORY concept defines the BMW Group's strategic vision for the future of its global production network, driven by efficiency, sustainability, and digitalization. At both Plant Spartanburg and Plant Woodruff, the guiding principles of the BMW iFACTORY are already a reality. Smart automation, end-to-end data integration, and virtual planning form a highly connected production system, with a highly skilled workforce at its core. Digital twins allow processes in both plants to be optimized long before the first component reaches the assembly line. 3D virtual simulations enable seamless implementation, reduce complexity, and enhance workflows and ergonomics for associates. Artificial intelligence is deeply anchored in the assembly of both plants. AI-supported applications, including self-correcting robotics and vision-based quality controls, help ensure consistently high standards in a dynamic manufacturing environment. At both plants, AIQX, Artificial Intelligence Quality Next, an in-house IT platform at the BMW Group, is being applied. AIQX uses sensors and camera systems along the production line to automate quality processes. AI evaluates the data and provides real-time feedback to employees on the line. At the same time, Plant Spartanburg is advancing the next stage of innovation through physical AI. By utilizing humanoid robots from Figure AI, Plant Spartanburg has become a pioneer of BMW's physical AI initiative. These applications support associates in physically demanding and repetitive tasks, enabling greater focus on precision, craftsmanship, and quality that define every BMW vehicle. At Plant Woodruff, the BMW Group is deploying intelligent, next-generation manufacturing powered by cutting-edge technologies, first proven in virtual environments. Guided by the BMW iFACTORY principles, the new plant also reduces complexity and sets new standards in high-voltage battery assembly. Following the cell-to-pack principle, the cells are assembled directly into the housing without the former processes of cell coating and cell module production. All in all, innovative technologies at both plants support and protect people. In doing so, digitalization enhances production performance, resilience, and the flexibility and adaptability needed to meet the mobility demands of today and tomorrow. New BMW X5 available in 5 drivetrains. A centerpiece of the Home of X celebration was the world premiere of the new BMW X5. The X5 established the premium sports utility vehicle segment and became one of the most successful products in BMW history. Since 1999, over 3 million BMW X5 models have been sold around the world, a third of which were sold in the US. Assembled at Plants Spartanburg for over 25 years, the new BMW X5 becomes the first vehicle offered with 5 drivetrain technologies. The options span internal combustion, battery electric, plug-in hybrid electric, diesel and soon, fuel cell electric powered by hydrogen. This breadth reflects BMW Group's technology-open approach and commitment to customer choice. Our strategic course remains unchanged. We will continue to pursue the same technology-open strategy that has made BMW successful and will continue to make us successful in the future. Continued Nedojkovic. Plants Spartanburg will be the first plant in the BMW Group's global production network capable of assembling a single vehicle with 5 different drivetrain technologies on one assembly line, demonstrating the technology-open strategy at the highest level. By offering a broad range of drivetrain technologies, BMW enables customers to select the vehicle that best suits their needs, driving habits, and preferences. This flexibility reflects BMW Group's conviction that multiple technologies will play an important role in the transition to sustainable mobility. The new BMW X5 demonstrates our belief that innovation and customer choice go hand in hand, said Sebastian Mackensen, President and CEO, BMW of North America. Our customers both in the US and around the world will love the new BMW X5. And our technology-open approach puts them in the driver's seat to enjoy the performance and premium experience that define BMW, regardless of which drivetrain they choose. BMW Group also confirmed that the BMW 9/5 will be the first fully electric BMW vehicle assembled in the United States. Assembly is scheduled to begin at Plants Spartanburg before the end of 2026. The announcement represents another important milestone in BMW Group's electrification strategy. It fulfills a key commitment made as part of the company's 2022 investment announcement. By 2030, BMW Group will assemble at least 6 fully electric BMW models in the United States, supported by locally assembled high-voltage batteries from Plant Woodruff. The future of BMW X models will continue to be shaped in South Carolina, said Dr. Robert Engelhorn, President and CEO, BMW Manufacturing Company. From highly efficient combustion engines and plug-in hybrid systems to battery electric and future hydrogen-powered vehicles, Plants Spartanburg will be able to assemble a broad range of drivetrain technologies for customers in the US and around the world. This flexibility of Plants Spartanburg and our global production network strengthens our resilience, supports customer choice, and enables us to meet customer demand at any level.
Yes, it went green, Patrice.
Home of X. Home of X recognizes the significant role the United States plays in BMW Group's global operations. South Carolina is the home of BMW Group's largest plant worldwide. For more than 50 years, BMW has maintained a strong commitment in the United States, growing its presence to nearly 30 locations across 12 states. Today, BMW Group's business activities in the U.S. support more than 120,000 jobs nationwide and contribute more than $43.3 billion annually to the U.S. economy. Established more than 3 decades ago, BMW Group Plants Spartanburg is the global center of competence for BMW X models. Since 1994, more than 7.3 million BMW vehicles have been assembled in South Carolina for customers in the United States and around the world. In 2025, 412,799 BMW X models were assembled at Plants Spartanburg. This marked the 7th time the plant has exceeded 400,000 units. Approximately half of the plant's current production is exported to nearly 120 countries, helping to make BMW the leading automotive exporter in the United States